What if the brain could repair itself? What if factories could heal the earth? What if we could fight systemic racism with artificial intelligence? What if there were a vaccine for, well, everything? Challenge accepted. Duke Science and Technology brings together a group of innovative thinkers, all in relentless pursuit of discoveries that will fundamentally change the way we live. By defying convention and collaborating across disciplines, we're addressing critical issues and working towards solutions the world needs right now. Like inventing a stroke-healing gel that regrows brain tissue, or using the principles of quantum mechanics to tackle the problems of the future, or harnessing the power of microbes to fight disease. Those are just a few of the real-world solutions Duke Science and Technology is enabling today. Focused, urgent thinking in computer and data science, human resilience, material science, and AI. We're embracing pressing challenges and racing towards crucial answers, because at Duke, it's not only about discovery for the sake of discovery, it's about discovery for the sake of humanity. Duke Science and Technology. Challenge accepted.